Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on our channel. Here's the Rode Video Mic Go, which we have already unboxed on our channel, and you can click on the card above to watch the video. It's a comparison video between the on-camera microphone and a condenser mic. It's a professional studio microphone manufactured by Wright, and here's the Rode branded microphone. The Rode branded microphone costs 5,600, wherein the condenser mic costs just 1,800. Let's keep the Rode microphone aside and let's check the contents of the Wright microphone. Here's the manufacturing box, and this product is available in 3 colors: black, white and blue. There are 4 free accessories provided within this package. Let's open it. Here's the anti-wind cap, shock mount, an XLR cable, and the condenser mic itself. Let's keep the contents of both the manufacturing box on the table. These are the only 2 contents within the Rode box. Here's the external sound card, which is used for better sound enhancement. Let's now connect the cable to the Rode Video mic and see the complete setup. This is how it would look. Let us now set up the condenser mic. Here's the anti-wind cap. Let's try fixing it. It fixes firmly. Here's the shock mount on which the condenser mic sits. Let's try connecting the XLR cable. And here's the sound card where I would be connecting the cable, and this sound card would be connected to the system. Here's the setup of the condenser mic with the anti-wind cap. As we have seen the setup of these 2 microphones, let us now check how these 2 devices would perform in reality. Let's try recording few audio samples by which you would be able to determine which performs better for you. I am using the Vegas Pro software in order to record the audio samples between these 2 devices. I am starting off with the condenser mic. Right now I am recording the audio, and you would be able to see the peaks generated in the timeline. And the peaks are considerably small, as the condenser mic would eliminate all the background noise. Once the recording is completed, I'll play back the audio file where you would be able to hear the audio. Steve was born in Tokyo, Japan in 1950. He moved to London with his parents when he was 5 years old. Steve started school there, and his father began to work at the hospital. His mother was a housewife, and he had 4 brothers. As I hear, the voice is very crisp and clear, and there is no background voice being recorded. Let me try to insert a new audio track in order to record the audio sample from the second device. As the device is connected right now, you would be able to see the peaks generated in the second track. Let me go ahead and mute the first track and start recording the audio sample on the second track. Right now the audio is recorded from the Rode Video Mic Go, and you'd be able to see the peaks generated on the timeline, and these peaks are considerably higher when compared to the audio being recorded on the condenser mic. As the recording is completed right now, I'll play the audio sample once again. Steve was born in Tokyo, Japan in 1950. He moved to London with his parents when he was 5 years old. Steve started school there and his father began to work at the hospital. His mother was a housewife and he had 4 brothers. This sample has an higher audio pitch but with a lesser quality with the background noise. Let me try muting the second track and play back the first track in order to come into the conclusion. Steve was born in Tokyo, Japan in 1950. He moved to London with his parents when he was 5 years old. Steve started school there and his father began to work at the hospital. His mother was a housewife and he had 4 brothers. Both these microphones has its own pros and cons. The condenser mic is a studio mic which is used to record voiceovers, songs, and this can be done only by connecting the device to a laptop or a PC, and this is a main disadvantage as it is not portable. However, the main advantage of the condenser mic is the audio quality it yields. On the other side, the Rode mic is best suited for the outdoor recording as it is portable and it would be able to record the sound even from a far away distance. And we would be able to record this audio directly onto our mobile phone or the camera. As you have listened to both the audio samples, please do let us know in the comments below which one was the best. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.